There is a new widespread issue inside Meta Business Manager that is affecting all Facebook ad accounts, and most business owners don't even know it's happening. What's worse is if this isn't fixed, your Facebook pixel can stop communicating properly, which means Meta cannot learn who your buyers are, and your campaigns will quietly underperform no matter how good your ads are. It's an issue that has to be fixed if you want to get leads or sales from Facebook ads, and we haven't seen anyone else address this or show how to fix it. So this is an urgent update we're covering to protect your ad performance. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Because we manage thousands of ad accounts, we identified this issue as soon as it happened and worked rapidly to get it fixed for all of our clients. And because we had to figure it out on our own with no help from Meta or anywhere else on how to do it, we wanted to make this video for our YouTube family in case it's helpful. So let's start with the problem. Here's what happened in simple terms. Meta, or Facebook, recently rolled out new tracking changes, and during that rollout, many domains that were previously approved for tracking were silently disconnected. So even though your ads are still running, your pixel may not be receiving clean data from your website anymore. And if your pixel is not getting clean data, Meta can't optimize, reporting becomes inaccurate and therefore useless, and ad performance suffers over time. And like I said, we've been seeing this across almost every account that we manage, which means it's likely happening in your account too. So here's how to check if your account's been affected with little to no technical knowledge required. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do everything. Go to Meta Events Manager, Datasets, and select your pixel. Then click Diagnostics and it'll point you to Settings. You may see diagnostic warnings, yellow or red alerts, events marked as disconnected, or domains showing green but still not properly approved. This is where it gets confusing and where Meta is misleading. You may see your domains listed with a green light and think everything is fine, but if you look closely under each domain, you'll likely see a button that says Add to Allow List. So this is the problem. Even if the domain looks active, it may not actually be approved to send data. To fix this, click Add to Allow List. It may look like it adds to the block list. Don't panic. Just close the menu, open it again, click Add to Allow List one more time, and refresh. After this, the diagnostic issue should resolve once Meta refreshes, which sometimes it can take about 30 minutes or more, so don't panic if you don't see it happen immediately. And if you run an e-commerce store specifically, you may also need to approve shop.app on your allow list. If a domain is not on the allow list, Meta will not accept tracking data from it, even if the pixel is installed. This means conversions may not be counted, optimization will stop happening, and your ads will struggle to scale. So you might be thinking, why is this happening in the first place? I'll tell you. Meta initially made these changes to protect against bad data because anyone can manually install your pixel on their website. That can send bogus or fake events to your account. So Meta now requires explicit approval of domains. That's all well and good. The issue is many domains that were already approved were disconnected automatically during this update. So that's why this is affecting so many accounts at once. The second issue we're seeing is hundreds of bogus custom events inside ad accounts. These are inactive, not used, and often created accidentally or left behind from old setups. We're seeing accounts with 200 to 300 useless custom events. And here's why this matters. Your pixel will get confused because it's getting fed information about bogus events happening on your website. So diagnostics light up and your optimization signals get diluted. To fix this, go back to your events manager and you should see prompts to confirm custom events that belong to you. Go down the list and block the inactive or bogus events one by one. Unfortunately, Meta does not allow bulk selection at the time that I'm making this video. So this is tedious, but it's necessary. It's also really important to note that in some accounts, Meta says success, but doesn't actually remove them. If that happens, you may need to revisit later and try it again, but also here's an important clarification. Even after fixing everything correctly, diagnostic warnings may stay visible. Yellow events may remain temporarily. This does not mean it's still broken. Once domains are allow listed and bogus events are blocked, the issue is resolved and remaining alerts will probably clear naturally over time after inactivity. Now, here's the biggest problem that most people don't realize that's important. To fix any of this, you must have full pixel access. But with the new pixels, Meta does not allow partner access for several weeks. That means if you're working with an agency, Agencies cannot fix this quickly if they didn't already have full Pixel access. This means business owners like yourselves must either grant full business manager access and wait 2 to 7 weeks for agencies like us to fix it, or handle it yourself. Right now, the only temporary workaround is adding a trusted admin with full control and monitoring weekly until that Pixel partner access becomes available. And I know it's frustrating. Trust me, I get it. But it's a meta limitation, not a user error. Now, if you don't fix this, here's what's going to happen. Meta will learn from bad, inaccurate data. And as a result, your ads will get more expensive, results will drop quietly over time, and scaling will become nearly impossible. Your ads may still run, but they will never reach full potential in generating real leads or sales for your business, and you'll pay more for that to boot. This is one of those issues that doesn't look dramatic, but it silently kills your results in your ad spend. So if you're running Facebook ads in 2026, Pixel communication and domain approval are non-negotiable. So check your account and fix it now, and don't assume seeing a green light means that you're safe. If this video helped, please share it because very few people know that this is happening yet.